tumbled leather. What's going on, everybody? General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. Today we got another basic shoe. We got another Yeezy 350. I kind of wanted to get more 350s, and that's kind of why I went with another 350. I'm trying to put more Yeezys on the channel. I do a lot of Jordan stuff, a lot of Nike stuff, but I don't really have a lot of Yeezy stuff, so that's kind of why you guys have seen me do more Yeezys as of late. These are the Yeezy 350 V2. I think it's the True Blue, something like that. I don't know. It's the blue one. I'm not sure which one it is. That's my fault on that. It's in the title, so you guys know which one it is. This is a pretty simple shoe. There's different variations of this shoe, and I just wanted to get this one because it was the latest one. Before I get in and break down the shoe, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up the video, share the video with your family and friends. That's really greatly appreciated, and it helps the channel grow. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Reels page is up there. Shoes that I've done, shoes that I haven't done. You might see some stuff that you like, and it'll kind of guide you in a direction to watch other videos that I've done. And follow us in that Discord for all of the Where to Cops and things like that. We got a good community in the Discord. The Discord link is in the description. We will help you find shoes by any means, by any way that you want. We share a lot of links with each other, and we just really try to find all of the kicks that we always wanted, you know, so we got a really good community in there. Not gonna spend a lot of time on these joints. Really not trying to spend a lot of time on these because it's really a basic shoe. It's just like any other 350. I'm just gonna show you guys the basics, and then we're gonna keep it pushing to the next video. All right, so jumping right in, we have an all black upper. The shoe's pretty cool. You know how Yeezy 350s are. Very, very comfortable stuff. Not a lot going on with it though. It's basically like a sock on top of an outsole. So you're not gonna get a lot of flash and glimmer and glitz with a Yeezy 350, but what you will get is premium comfort. I dub this shoe the recovery shoe. You know, after you play basketball for a little while and all that stuff, you throw one of these pairs on, walk around in these for a day, your feet feel a little bit better, your knees feel a little bit better, your back feels good. So this is that one type of shoe that really helps a person recover after they've, you know, worked out hard or something like that, or they've been on their feet all day and they kind of just want to throw something comfortable on. This might be the way to go. So all black upper, we got the knitted pattern there. We got our blue stripe right here with our 350 right there with the Supply 350. We have our black outsole. This doesn't have the infinity laces in it, which I'm surprised because they were doing that for a little while, but they stopped. This is not a reflective pair, so you won't see any reflective stuff coming off the shoe on this particular pair. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So the main thing that I like to highlight when I do 350 reviews is the structure and the shape. This shoe has really good structure and shape to it. You kind of got this dip right here on the toe right here. The toe looks really good. All 350s look flat like that, but does it spring? And it does. It's got really nice springiness to it. There's no loose threading or anything like that. You guys can see that that prime knit is good. We have that X and O pattern that everybody likes to talk about. You kind of can see it here, but you got that XO pattern right there. These stitching lines are going in the right direction right here, so that looks good. Nothing really looks out of place here. Nothing looks out of place here. Our Supply 350 right here looks really, really good. I think the blue really makes this pop, just like the red pair, just like the Oreos, just like, you know, the beige pair. The blue really makes this pop, and that really, it's a clean look. It's a clean look, very, 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 very smooth. The heel of the shoes got that nice angle to it, not bad. And then going to the back of the heel, you still got that XO pattern right there, which looks good. Medial side of the shoe, you kind of get like the zebra vibe here, if you guys can see that. You see that blue kind of peeking through there. That looks good. I like that pattern. I have no complaints about that. And the laces are standard, you know, you can tie them, whatnot. I usually just leave mine like this. Because it's a sock, it really just fits. 3M on the back of the heel right here, and that looks good. These come with tissue paper in them. They don't come with like a shoehorn or anything like that, or a shoe tree. They just come with the tissue paper packed in there. We got our insole right here, and it's just a flimsy kind of like foam rubbery insole. It's not anything crazy in terms of comfort. It's really flat. It's got a little bit of springiness to it, but nothing major. You just kind of get this basic insole right here. Inside the shoe, you guys can see your boost is peeking through right there, and that's pretty cool. Lastly, the outsole of the shoe, you got your boost peeking out, and it is squishy. It's soft right there. Very, very nice. This, as I run my finger across it, has a lot of grip to it. And then you have your boost right there. So very, very good. Not bad at all. I'm glad that they went ahead and sent these over for a review. If I had to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give it a solid 8. I'm not crazy about it. It's nothing that's wowing me, but it's a really solid shoe. Very basic, really solid shoe. Construction of materials, the materials are very, very good. I can't really complain about the materials. You guys know how 350s fit. They fit comfortable. I mean, there's nothing really to go too in depth about with the shoe. So that's all I got for this one, y'all. I hope this review was informative for you. A lot of people have these. I see a lot of people wearing them. And if you haven't had this pair, this 350 is just like any other pair of 350s. You know, it's nothing really changed. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's pretty much what Ye does, and he just pumps colors out. So that's pretty much it. Hit us in the Discord if you guys need help finding this joint. We got your back in there. If you guys got any questions, you can catch us in that Discord. Make sure you guys hit us up there, all right? That's all I got. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. I'll see you on the next review. Peace.